So we're back with it, back at it yet again. And we're going to figure out how to make the nodes drag and drop some more. That being said, this is more of a forced session just because, I mean, I've been thinking about it and I've been looking at this stuff right here and trying to figure it out, but it's just, I haven't like thought of how to exactly do it, but I think it's important to at least start trying. Because look at this. Here's a main thing. Child.set input pickable true. I want to try this out first to make the pieces pickable. All right. So let's go over here and look at our code real quick. So we've got this get piece, and we're going to do that inside of this thing. Get piece. Let's turn it into make piece clickable. Make piece clickable. All right. Let's get this, copy it, drop it here. All right. So now that we're here, let's do the print child right here, just to remember, just to refresh us. Print child. Okay. And so let's run it. Okay, and so it's got all the nodes right here. What? It's not doing the count. What's up with that? What's up with that? Oh, we didn't say count plus equals 1. Count plus equals 1. All right, let's run it again. 24. Okay, so it's 24 pieces. We've got the pieces chosen. We know we got the pieces ready to go. So now what we got to do is this clickable thing. All right, so if the child is something, what do we want to do? If child is this, which it is, which is actually node 2D, yeah. And it's not that other one. We're going to say child.set input clickable true. Let's just grab this and see if it even does anything, or if Godot just made it up. Let's come over here. Let's put this in front of this. How about that? Not like that. Like that. All right. So there we go. Let's see. How would we access this to know if it's true? Let's run it real quick to see if any errors pop up. Yes. Non-existent function. Okay. Is it what? What's that? Oh yeah, there's no such thing as set input clickable. That's why we go and check, because there's no such thing as this. Let's see. Let's go over here. Not here. Let's go over here. Godot. Set pickable versus input pickable. Set pickable. Oh, so it's got both of them. It says set pickable is the setter for the input pickable property. So let's see. Set pickable true. Let's try that. Set pickable true. All right, the errors seem to be on. Let's see. Nope. So that's not a thing. Help. Search help. Set pickable. Area body set pickable. Body set pickable. there we go. Set to true gives the body. No. I don't know if that's what we want. But this is definitely not what we want, for sure. Make node 2D pickable Godot. Let's see. Let's see about this one. Sure. Func on clicked. Okay, what? If they're character body 2Ds, we probably have collision shapes attached to it. We sure do. That's all we need. Make sure the body 2D has pickable selected. It's in the inspector under collision object 2D. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We can't though. Body 2D. That was a year ago. Maybe it's not the same anymore. And we can't do this because this isn't something that's just sitting there. We make these after the fact. From there, it's up to us. What we want, the usual way is something like this. Func on clicked. Okay, this isn't it. If input action is pressed, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Ugh. Let's see. Here's something. It draws a circle. Let's see. Private float radius. What is this? Private color. What is all this? Are they doing this? Is this freaking totally C++? Private. Yeah, that's got to be C++. Okay. Or C# maybe. C# might do the same thing. I don't know. Here's collision object 2D. Control F. I said Control F. Pickable. Input pickable. True. I don't know about that. Let's go to more. Input pickable, input pickable, input pickable, input pickable, input pickable, input pickable, set pickable. All right. Okay, let's see if we can do set pickable. Shut up. Here we go. Set pickable. Where we at? That's what you... How? What? What is this? All right, let's go over here. Let's go over to this. There should be pickable over here. let's see if we can find it. Actually, not here. Let's go over to piece. To this one right here. No, collision shape, pickable. Nope. Nope. Ordering. Nope. Texture. Nope. Material. Set parent mat. That's not it. Process. Don't see it. Did I see it? Thread group. Nope. Physics. Auto translate. Editor description. Son of a. Nope. Nope. Pardon me. Region. Nope. Transform. Also nope. I bet all of these are the same garbage. You see pickable? I don't see it. Nope. Nope. Still nope. Just like it was last time. Make character body 2D pickable. Make sprite 2D pickable. Maybe we'll type that in. Sprite 2D pickable Godot. I'm going to put on my headphones. This guy seems to claim to have the easy way and not some other way. All right. Take your time. Take your time. Skip. Turn it on.
We're going to learn. G'day guys. Today we're going to learn how to click on a sprite.
Let's do it.
And
that's exactly what it says in freaking the thing. Anyway. How do they know though? How do they know? How do they know? How does it know? How does it know? Extend sprite 2D. So is this... Okay, back up. So is this a script in a sprite 2D? So it's a sprite 2D script?
G'day guys. Today we're going to learn how to click on a sprite. And that's it. That's what you got to do. You'll see when you click now, it prints out sprite clicked. Simple as that.
You're so right, my man. You're completely
The beautiful
correct.
thing is, it'll even work off weird shapes. So you run this. And if you click in the transparent areas, nothing happens. But if you click on the pixels, it works. So this will take any of your weird shaped little sprites.
Nice. Nice.
There's one thing you might change. It's not a great idea to hard code in your inputs like this. What you should be doing is using the action system.
What's that?
So drop in this event.isActionPressed and you go up here to the project settings.
Mm-hmm. He should have kept that room tone
delete
on.
this one now.
You really should have kept that room
Now
tone
I'll
going.
show you how to put it in. You just add a new action of click.
You can hear the room tone I'm
then
doing.
you go and attach your button to it. And that's it. And then you can abstract it out. You can always change it later. It's a much better way to go. And you can see it still works.
What?
So that's
I was thinking about
video
editing while he was talking. Because that's something I do. Okay, anyway.
I'll delete this one now and show you how to put it in. You just add a new action of click. Then you go and attach your button to it. And that's it. And then you can abstract it out. You can always change it later. It's a much better way to go. And you can see it still works. So that's the best way.
He's got a lot of time left in this video to be done. All right. So first things first, we're gonna make a script on the sprites, both of them, or maybe on Character body 2D. You think so? Let's see. Let's go back over here. Let's throw a script on character body 2D. Why not? Let's call this pieces. Pieces, since we haven't done anything with it yet. Right? Also, this isn't gonna work. That's not how we do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not how we do it. All right. So, make piece clickable. I don't think so. I think we should change this back to get piece. Get piece. Okay. There's that. Now, let's go back over here and look at what he did. It's just like what we did, but different. All right. So we're going to first start by making a Sprite 2D script. And we'll call that script clickables, clicking. Well, how do we do that? This. Clicking. Piece click. Piece click, click, click piece. Click. Click. Underscore piece. Is that how we do it? That's how we're doing it. Click piece.godot. There we go. Oh, what? Oh. So it already has some stuff on it. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that cool? All right. We don't need that though. I mean, we don't need to look at it. I mean, what? UI left loop, accept jump velocity. Did we? I don't even remember doing this. Maybe it's just something that just automatically is in it. It doesn't matter, I guess. Let's make it go down. And let's make this thing clickable. So let's look at what the guy did again. Func input event. Oh, let's make it click. How did he do that again?
And that's it. And then you can then you go
named it
and
click.
Attach your button to it. And that's it.
And then you
can
attach the button like we've done before. All right, let's do that. Project settings, input map. Click. Add. Do this. Mouse buttons. Left mouse button. Okie doke. All right. Smooth. Now let's see what he did again, but in the future. All right. So let's make this bigger. We got func input event. Also, don't pay attention to this crap, guys. I don't even know why it's over there. They should be giving me only freaking what's that stuff called? Ads about computer stuff, but you know, these guys are dollar oriented. All right, so we've got input is if event is action click is action pressed click. Let's do that. All right, let's say that. What are we calling this? Input event. Func input event. Func input. There we go. Is it input event? Input. Hold on. Okay. Back to it. This one. Enter. And then event. Input event. That's fine. We don't need this void. We don't even need this. Just turn this into a lowercase t. There we go. All right. So now, All right. If event is action pressed. All right. So if event is action pressed. Hold on. Dot is action pressed. All right, let's try that again. If event dot is do we not have that? Is that not a thing? Dot is action pressed. There. Okay, good. If event dot is action pressed, do we need anything in there? Click. And then we'll put click. Oh, it's right there. All right, if that's the case, what are we doing? If mouse is mouse over sprite. What is mouse over sprite? Is that something he named? Oh, it's this thing. Okay. Okay. We're gonna need to make this. It's just like what ChatGPT said, though. I mean, Gemini said. So yeah, if it's action pressed, if mouse over sprite, we need to make it mouse over sprite. Let's just put pass right here, and then let's make mouse over sprite. Func mouse. How did he do it? Is mouse over sprite. Okay, so we're doing a Pascal case. We got it. That's not what I was doing. This one right here. Is mouse over sprite. Okay. That's not how we do it, though. I think that's not how they do it. Is mouse over sprite. That's better. I think that's better. I don't remember if we do it Pascal case or not for that. I don't remember. Honestly, I don't remember what the thing was. The who cares? All right. Func. Let's do var rec get rect. All right. Let's do it. So we'll have var rect equals get rect. Hold on. Huh? Is there no get wrecked anymore? Not found. Not found. Where did he get this get wrecked? When was this? 8 months ago? Godot 4.3 get wrecked. Control F get underscore wrecked. What the? It's right there. Let's thank me. And welcome. So what? Is this because we're not doing What? 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 Huh? Okay, so I don't know what to do. All right. Let's see if there's anything that says wrecked in here. Viewport wrecked, that's about it. Yeah, I don't see nothing else. That can't be it. But let's see. Rec.position. Let's try to print this thing out first. Print it. Print rect. And then let's run this. I guess we could just do this, huh? Nope. Of course not. Of course not. Let's do a func ready this thing. How about that? Func ready. And then let's say about that. Let's see if that works. All right, let's see if this does anything. That is so wild. Why did that even happen? Is it because we made this? Let's take this physics process out of here. Get out of here. Run it again. Nope. Excuse me. All right. Let's get this whole thing, this whole physics process, and get it out of here. No. No. Where does it stop? 28. Let's go down to 28 and take everything. Run it. What the what the beep? Let's see again. Nope. Let's see again. Actually, we don't even need that. Watch. Just go past here. Run it again. Nope. Is it this thing? Nope. What was it? What's doing this? Is it this whole thing? How do I delete? Delete it. No. Click piece.g. Here, delete this. Yeah, I don't care. Run it again. What the? What happened? Oh, this is very bad. Is it something to do with board? Did we do something here? Why is it like this? Man, it's just never ending. Oh my God. What happened? How do we fix it? Well, looks like we're at another problem. We're at another place where problems happen. Yeah, there's that. Something happened, and it's not here. This is the only script running. Unless we did something here. Oh, here's this. Let's actually, how do we get rid of this script on here? What? How do we get rid of this? Cancel. Pieces.text scene. Get out of here. No. No. Pieces. Well, that's probably what it is. It's probably because we got this script. Open script. Click piece.gd. I thought we deleted it. Let's go. We did, but it doesn't know. Maybe we need to close it and open it. Let's see. Nope, that didn't work. Well, watch this. Boom. Run it. Nope. Haha, still didn't work. $24. What's the problem? Oh. Get node pieces. Run it. All right, cool. There was the problem. It had nothing to do with this thing at all. It is what it is, isn't it? Close. A little sloppy, but whatever. A little slop-a-doo, a little slop. Whatever. Oh, that's how you just... You just do this. Clicks. Pieces dot. Okay, whatever. Create it. Now if we run it, they fall right off the board. All right. So now we could take this, move and slide, and that'll probably help. Yep. Just what I thought. All right. Honestly, we don't need any of this. We don't need any of this physics. We're not doing anything. We're not doing anything with that yet. Maybe we'll keep it there for later. For later, I don't think we need this at all, actually. We're going to deal with any, if we need to do any speed stuff, any of this, we'll do it later. So let's just take this out of here. We don't even need it. All right. And this can also go away. Close. Discard. All right. So we've officially done nothing. Well, I mean, we've learned some problems. We've learned the things we can't do. Great. So yeah, 36 minutes. Haven't done any net gains on this thing, but we still have a checkerboard. So that's something, right? We're going to try again on the next one. So let's put the next time right here. Next time. Trying to make it work some more. So that's what we're going to be doing next time. What? Why is this one? Whatever, it doesn't matter. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing next time. So there's that, and we'll see you next time.